Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with the morning market stir for Monday, December 16th. Oh, what a difference a week makes. Last week we had stock indexes across the board down, breaking that consecutive upward streak that we've seen for many weeks. We finished down 1.65% in both the Dow and the S&P. The S&P closed at 1768.5 on Friday, essentially unchanged. Dow futures 15,701, up 15 on Friday for a 0.10% gain. The Nasdaq actually was down a little bit, had made new highs on Tuesday, new decade plus highs, ended up being down 1.5% on the week, but was actually positive on Friday, 34.54.5. Dollar index closed at 80.38, above the 80 level. Euro 137.33. That did gain 38 ticks on the week for the euro currency. Bonds closed at 129. The 10-year actually had the yield tick up 0.01%, so not much action on the week in the treasuries. Crude oil was off a little bit, lost $1 on the week, finished at 96.93 on Friday, and gold added $5 on the week to finish at 12.34. So after the pullback that we saw last week, where did the market stand on this Monday morning to start a new trading week ahead of the holiday sessions coming up? Well, we're up again. We're up 0.5% here this morning. 1776.5 up 8 in the S&P, 15,770 up 69 in the Dow futures, and up 15.75 at 34.69 in the tech index. Looking at the dollar's pushing lower down to that 80 level once again. 80.15 down 23. That's driven the euro currency higher, up 46, 137.79. And right now bonds are up 9 ticks at 129.29. Like I said, last week was pretty quiet. There was some concerns that the yields were ticking higher, but right now the yield on the 30-year Treasury sits at 3.85, and on the 10-year note it sits at 2.85, still significantly below that 3%. That's kind of a psychological threshold up above that gets people worried. Crude oil up 50 cents, 97.44, banging on the door at 98 once again to see if it can close above that and make a push to 100, which is a psychological resistance. And gold down $5 right now at 12.29 as it stands here this morning. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours ago before the cash stock market opened, we're positive. We're up 0.5%, getting back what we lost, some of what we lost last week. Lost 1.5% last week. We're up 0.5% as we stand this morning. We're up 8 in the E-mini S&P at 1776.5, and we're up 70 points, 69 points actually, in the Dow futures at 15,770. I will see you Tuesday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.